welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. I'm Dr. Gomati. In this video, we are going to see free certifications for SQL courses. Okay, so you can do the course for free and get the certifications. So before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel, Goms Tech Talks, where you can see I'll be uploading free certifications and you can do the free courses with certifications video every Thursday at 5 p.m. and you can see AI tools every Friday, and these are all related to technologies. You can watch my videos, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and consider joining my channel as a community member so that you will have exclusive access to various resources, and you can connect with me and you can ask your queries. And if you want to know about the exercises and projects, you can visit this website, my blog, learnwithgoms.com. So let us go to the very first course, which is given to us by Coursera. Okay, so SQL for data science. So you can find here that this is a beginner level course and it is approximately 14 hours, and you can do it in your flexible time. So here you can see that you have to enroll it for free, but if you want to get the certification, you have to pay. But here you have an option called financial aid. Okay, so you can apply for this financial aid and get this course for free, even the certificate for free. Okay, in order to obtain this, you have to apply the financial aid. So I have already uploaded a video on how to get the financial aid from Coursera and how to apply this particular steps and complete process. I have uploaded in my previous video. So I'll be leaving this link in the description. Please go and watch it and apply for financial aid so that you can get this course for free with certification. Okay, so what you'll be learning it here is what getting started and selecting, retrieving data with SQL, filtering and sorting, subqueries and joins, and modifying and analyzing data with SQL. Okay, so you will be getting a certificate as well after completing this. So you will be getting a certificate from UC Davis University. Okay, so the next course which I would like to discuss it was from the Great Learning, that is MySQL Basics. Okay, and here they are covering nearly for 4.5 hours, and it is a lifetime access. You can enroll it for free. So here you can see that it is a lifetime access and you can enroll. You can see here very clearly. Okay, you can enroll it for free here. So what you can see these are all the overall curriculum which they'll be covering. What is database management, what are the types of management, what is RDBMS, what are the key concepts, what is normalization, all this basics. Okay, you can learn all the basic, and upon completing this particular certificate, upon completing this particular course, you will be receiving this certificate. Okay, and the next comes the third course, which is from Skill Up, which is from Simply Learn, Introduction to SQL. Okay, you will be learning SQL basics free, and this is a 9 hours of self-paced course, and you can have 90 days of access to this. And if you scroll down, you can see that what are the concepts they have covered: introduction, SQL and how to install it, MySQL built-in, group by, joins. These are all very important concepts which you should know if you wanted to use SQL. So if those who doesn't know what is SQL and where it is used, SQL is a structured query language which is used to retrieve the data, store the data into the database, retrieve from the database. So it is all about dealing with the database. Okay, so SQL is very important for those who wanted to do the programming. That is, even you are a data analyst, even if you are doing a programming, that is a web developer, you should know SQL. Okay, so here you will get a certification by the end, and you can see that this is free. You can simply click here start learning just to sign up and start learning this. You will get to learn all the SQL basic concept. So what I would recommend is, what if you are very new to SQL, that is a database management, so start learning from Great Learning. Okay, so which is the free course. You have MySQL Basics, where you can learn completely about introduction to database, types of database, and all these things. Okay, and after completing this, you can start learning about the SQL, where you will understand about joins, subqueries. You will learn about all these important concepts through Simply Learn, which is also again a free course. And finally, while doing these course, first you go and apply for the financial aid here, where you can find the video here, like complete information. To obtain a financial aid, it will take nearly 15 to 16 days. Okay, first apply the financial aid, and wait for the approval for 15 days. Meanwhile, within that 15 days, you can start learning this course. Okay, this is for 4.5 hours course. You can complete this first, and then also you just do this introduction to SQL. You can complete this and get the certification. Meanwhile, it will take at least 15 to 16 days for you to complete. You will also receive the financial aid here. This will be approved by Coursera, and you can start learning this. Okay, after completing this, you will also get a certificate from the Coursera. So these are the three top SQL courses, which even if you are new to SQL, if you want to learn, you can learn it. Okay, and if you want to know about the certification courses for intermediate level or advanced level, so please leave your message. I will check and let you know the various possibilities for that. So if you have any queries, please leave your comments in the query section. In the comment section, you can leave your queries, where I can definitely help you out in order to give you some clarifications. So consider, if you want an immediate reply, or if you want any support for your career or something, so please join as a community member, where I can help you immediately. Okay, so take care, have a great day, bye bye.